Hi everyone, it's Shell from Designs by Shell here. Thanks for joining me today. Today I have a little project for you. It's a mini candy cane holder. Now I made some larger ones for regular size candy canes last year, and I don't think I actually shared them because I had just made a couple of them, but I thought I would try to see if I could come up with a little holder that would fit the mini candy canes because those seem to be more popular. For trimming, you know, if people want to use them on their tree or give them out. So I came up with these cute little mini candy cane holders. I've never seen anyone else do these particular ones. Maybe they have, but this is what I've come up with. So it's, I will leave all the measurements in the description or on the screen, and we will go through and I'll show you how to put one together. But here's the first one I've got. It's got little nutcrackers. I used the scrapbook paper from the nutcracker paper pad, and they're really cute on there. And then you can see the mini candy cane, and it's tied on with some baker's twine there. I've used embellishments like I cut these fancy kind of labels out with my die cutting machine and stamp Merry Christmas on there, and just kind of offset stamp some snowflakes on there. I did some with red ink and some with the green ink. So that's those, and that's what I used on the top here. Here's another one I've done here. And this one's just got a cute little green and white pattern on it. It's got Christmas trees and holly and some little snowflakes ornament designs on there. It's really cute. And then I used my large punch to do this red scallop circle here. So I used some of those on a couple of them. And I didn't want to use it on this one because it covered up the nutcrackers too much, and I wanted those to show because they're kind of cute. So that's those two. And then I've got another one here. This one, the same paper as this, just with the different stamping colors on the decor there. And these were the ones I did last year, a larger size. And I did see these on someone's channel, but I can't remember who it was, so sorry about that. But you could probably find it if you look through some YouTube videos. But yeah, that was where the first idea came from. So I had a couple of those. So if you'd like to see how these little ones are put together, just stay tuned and we'll show you how it's done. So there we are, all finished up. I hope you enjoyed that, and maybe you want to give these a try. Thanks so much for watching. Merry Christmas. Bye for now.